Hello mga ka-LCC, magbukas tayo ng parcel for Arky.
My present.
This is the present of Mama. Ah. Ha? Oh my God. Oh my God. Go away, Ma. Sugat kayo. Tingnan natin kung maganda ba. This is a table. Orders calling. Okay. Ayan na. Ayan. Kasi po, nag-aaral po sila dito sa bahay. Kaya kailangan meron silang sariling upuan at table. Kasi, hindi po nila sulat kung wala silang table. Yay! Ito na po. Ayan, i-assemble pala namin to. Together. Ayan, mag-a-assemble kami. Diyan lang kayo. Dali.
Are you fix?
Assemble this one. See? This is help me because it's too heavy. Oh my God.
That's you.
Yung put in there. Okay? Eto guys, alis ka dyan. Eto guys, table nila. Eto na, you can open here. Here. You open, there's see?
And then,
Sa upuan, yan. Yan. Ito na po, yung sa upuan. Ito yung sa table. Aray ko, hindi ko isa. Hindi yan, Mary Grace. Kulang may. Mary Grace. Kulang man. Tingnan mo dun sa din, sir, sa box kung mayroon kang ito. Mayroon pa dyan, laman? Wala na. Wala, kulang ng paa. Kulang ng paa. Wala, kulang ng paa. Wala. Ayun. Hindi na dito. Dali. Mary Grace. Okay.
asan po puto?
Doon sa upuan. Okay.
Okay.
Wait lang. Ito, fix it.
We need to go.
Ito na po. Ayan na po ang table nila. Maganda yung table nila,
Mommy,
Tapos mayroon siyang lagayan dito.
the small one.
Tapos ayan din sa
Ato, ganito.
ayan sa kabila. May lagayan din sila, Maganda siya. Assemble nyo na. Assemble na nila. Sila na nag-assemble. Hindi yan, ganyan din, Sel. Mali yan sa'yo. Mali yan sa'yo. Yan.
Asan dito, Mommy?
Ha?
Asan dito?
Anong asan dito? Ayun, hanapin mo dyan.
Here.
And then, wow! Mary Grace know how to assemble the
Chair.
Hair chair. Okay. Babe, I want to see it. You need to, you need to, wait lang. Oh, you can do like this. And then,
Put your life jackets on. On Grandad Gold's boat, all children must wear life jackets.
wait.
That scurvy dog beard should
Wait. Akin na, I need to fix it. Merry Grace.
thank you, Daddy Pig. At last. Are we all ready now?
Magpasok.
What can be keeping them? Hello? Grandad Dog? I thought you said you were on your way. Yes, we're almost there. It's taken a while to get my crew together. Anchors away! Full sail!
Itong isa na papasok. Isa sa hindi.
The children have arrived at Grandpa Pig's orchard. The game is to get that treasure without being caught. Hooray for the pirates!
Ano ba yan?
I hope there are no
Ayan na po. May kanya-kanya na silang upuan. Thank you, Mama. Oh, you say thank you? You say thank you? Thank you, Mama. Bye, mga ka-LCC.